Hi, this is Mark Daly with New Response. I'm going to give you the overview of what we're going to teach in this tutorial, how to add a stylishly awesome looking portfolio page to your WordPress theme. If you're wondering how those theme designers do it, I'm going to show you. WordPress as a CMS or content management system is a fantastic tool, and if you're a web designer wanting to learn and know more about the WordPress and how to customize it the right way, that's what I'm going to go over. We only work with the built-in functions, classes, and shortcodes that WordPress comes with. So in this tutorial, we're going to teach you the right way to make these customizations so that your site loads quickly and doesn't put unnecessary burden on the server or database. Every one of the steps in our tutorial has a video, so you're going to see right in front of your eyes, changing the code, going to the front end of the site and showing you exactly what those code changes do. So even if you are not a veteran PHP coder, you can look at the code we're doing, you can copy it and paste it directly into your WordPress theme and make these changes on your own. For those of you who are designers and have a higher skill set, these techniques that I'll teach you here can easily be extended to other areas of the WordPress theme designs. So for example, we use these exact same techniques to create other sites or other elements in sites, not just portfolio pages, but events pages. We've built restaurant sites and had custom menus for dinner, lunch, breakfast. We've built product sites and segmented products by category, either by manufacturer or by product type, and used custom taxonomy and custom post types. We've done real estate listing sites, news page sites, video page sites. We've done church sites where we've broken up youth groups, adult groups, events, giving back to the community, all these different things broken up into different segments of your site. These techniques that I will be teaching you here can easily be used to display all that back-end coding that you're doing on the front end of your site. So let me show you how the site's going to look when we're finished. First thing you're going to notice is this is the 2010 theme. I'm not going to be editing the theme look and feel, the header section and all that kind of stuff. I'm not going to be touching the sidebar. I'm not going to be touching a lot of the styling of the site. I'm specifically going to dial into making code changes that will create these pages for you, portfolio and blog. The portfolio page pulls posts that are in the portfolio category into this page for display. We customize the image that is pulled straight from the post thumbnail. It's a custom size. It's not the default tiny little custom post thumbnail. You're also going to see how 2010 uses that same feature to create this header image. We're going to disable that and use it for a different purpose. But you'll start to understand reading their code how they've done that. You'll notice that we've side to side, we've edited the text. We only show up to 40 words here. The continue reading button has been styled a little bit. Once you come to the actual post, you can style this however you want. And I don't go into how to style this post, but what I do teach you how to do is that this post is using a custom post template that is specific for the portfolio category. So you can make all kinds of customizations that will only affect posts that are in the portfolio category. You can use custom fields, custom shortcodes, other functions pulled from other plugins that you're using for your client sites or for your own site. This is where the power of WordPress really comes in. And within the blog, this is important. Within the blog, we don't want posts that are showing up in the portfolio to show up in the blog. This, again, we're going to show you how to exclude or include or only grab certain categories or grab all categories except certain categories or grab all posts except for posts in certain categories. I'm going to touch on both of those techniques. And again, we styled it a little bit different just to show you another way to do it. The other thing we're going to jump into is pagination. You'll notice here, pagination, people don't want to necessarily go back to the blog every time and scroll through, so they might just want to go to the next in line. Well, you'll notice here that only the posts in the same category show up in the pagination. If you go over to portfolio and we go to the portfolio post, it's only going to show other posts in that exact same category. So it keeps your site clean and makes it function the way that it needs to function. I hope that you'll find this tutorial helpful. I know that this was exactly what I wished I would have had when I was getting started editing WordPress themes and making those customizations. I would love to hear how you're using these techniques on your website project. So share with us in the comments and in the blog section of Theme Forest. And happy designing and good luck. Oh, send me your reviews and your ratings. I would really appreciate that. And finding other ways to improve this.